Hello everyone and welcome to my crash course in Node.js and NPM. My name is Nicola and you can find my GitHub at github.com/nicfv. First of all, what is Node.js? In a nutshell, it allows you to run JavaScript, primarily a web-based language, directly from your terminal, which allows you to do all sorts of unimaginable things. The sky is the limit. Alright, so now that we got that out of the way, what is NPM? That's the Node Package Manager, right? Nope. NPM is not an acronym. So what does it actually do? It allows you to install dependencies directly into your project, so it doesn't clutter up your PC full of junk. You can also quickly build up your project using existing code, or reuse your own code, meaning that you have to write less of it. By using existing packages, other people are effectively maintaining part of your code. That's less of a headache for you. And best of all, by using and contributing to NPM, you are also contributing to the whole open source community. The main downside of NPM is that Node modules is the heaviest known object in the universe. Now that you're sold on using Node NPM for your next project, how do you install it? Well, you could go directly to nodejs.org and download the latest binaries, or you can install NVM, the Node Version Manager, which allows you to manage multiple active Node.js versions and allows you to switch between them in an instant. Now that you've installed NVM, how do you set up a project? First, create your project directory, then set it as your working directory, and then run this simple command to create a package.json file that sets up your project. You can also install dependencies with npmi and the package name. If you're looking like this right now, don't worry. Keep watching these videos and you'll soon become a Node.js expert. Thanks for watching.